So here we see the another example of the flowing of current. Okay, so here we see some another example, that is you are aware of the current flowing through wires, electric bulbs and equipments in the house. If we see these pictures, we also feel the current that is flowing through these electric wires. Okay, at our home we see such type of wires, that is at our home, in each and every room we have a socket board. Okay, so these all of the socket bar or buttons, these are helpful to, and also we see some cables or wires at our home. So here these are cables or wires. Also we see the electric bulbs at our home. Okay, and also we see some household equipments or appliances, that is coffee maker, blender. Okay, these are also run on the electricity. Okay, that is coffee maker, blender, mixer, then toaster, microwave, then uh, that is some utensils like which is run on the electricity, that is rice cooker, coffee maker. Okay, these are some appliances which are electrical appliances and devices which are used at our home. Okay, so these homemade appliances also run on this concept, that is the flowing of the current. So here we see some equipments in the house. These are also the examples of from this what happened. These are also run on the electricity, and due to this, during we use this equipments, electric current is passed through the wires. Okay, so here in electric current, we see this para. Okay, here we continue. Here we see this current electricity. Okay, here we see a large current flows when lightning takes place from a cloud to the ground, while sensation is felt by us due to the microscopically small current flowing to the brain. So you are aware of the current flowing through the wires. Also we see the electric bulbs, which is also in that also the electricity is flowing. Okay, so also we see the some equipments, we see the examples of mixer, grinder, coffee maker. Okay, all the appliances which are run on the utensils also, or we use the gas stove which is run on the electricity. Okay, electric gas. So these appliances or devices we use on the in the house. So these all are the examples of we see in that current electricity flow. In the electric cells of radio or in a car battery, a current is produced by the flow of both negatively and positively charged particles. If we see the another examples, electric cells of radio. You know the radio. On the radio we listen the news. Also we see some musics on it. Okay, some radio channels are also there. So the on some radios are run on these electric cells. Okay, so here these cells, or also we see the some batteries which are used in the car. So in that how the electric current is flow or produced, in that current is produced by the flow of both the negatively and positively charged particles. Here not only negatively charged particles flow, but also not only the negatively charged flow, but also positively charged particles also flow, that is in the batteries, electric cells of the radios and car batteries. Okay, so here we see this para. What is the current electricity? Again I explain. What is the current electricity? See here, current is produced by the flow of both the negatively and positively charged particles. That is we see here, which are the examples. These are the battery cells. Okay, this is used in the radio, and such type of batteries are used in a car. So these in that batteries, what happen, current is produced by flow of both the charges, that is positively and negatively charged. So here how the current is flow of this electricity takes place. So in that para we see some examples in our day to day life. Okay, so here in which direction current will flow. See here, if we see the electrostatic potential here, if we see the as water flows, spontaneously from higher level to lower level. If we see how the water flows, always the water or any liquid flows from higher level to the lower level. If we see this image, if this bucket contains water, it is placed at higher level, okay, and the another bucket is kept at a lower level. What is the current of the flow for this? Either this is in the above direction, no, here it is wrong. The flow of this water takes place from higher to the lower level, okay, that is flow of this water takes place in that direction, not in that direction, okay. So here if we see in which direction the current water flows or any type of liquid flows, that is always water or any liquid flows from higher level to the lower level. If we see the another example for the flow of heat, in which direction heat flows, see if we see the heat also flows from high temperature to the lower temperature, okay. If we see these two objects, this object have higher temperature, okay, object 1, and object 2 have low temperature. So in which direction this heat flow? This heat doesn't flow in that object 2 to 1. Why? Because here object 1 already have high temperature, so heat doesn't flow in that way. Instead of that, heat always flow from higher temperature to the lower temperature. So here we see again the another example, that is in which way the heat also flow from higher level of temperature to the lower level of temperature of that body. Similarly, if we see these two example, similarly the electric current also flow from, these have tendency of positive charge to from flow from a point of higher electric level to a point of lower electric level. So here what happened, in which way the electric current is flow. See here similarly there is a tendency of the positive charge to flow from a point of higher electric level to a point of lower electric level. So if we see the electric current is always free. Here what happened, positively charge also flow. So in that, in which direction positively charge flow, when the current is flow, the positive charge always flow from lower. If we see this image, this positively charge always flow from lower level of electricity towards the higher, it is reverse, that is flow from point of higher electric level to a point of lower electric level. So here this electric level deciding the direction of flow of electric charge is called electrostatic potential. So here by this concept we see what is the electric potential. Electrostatic potential, that is it is depending upon the direction of the flowing of positive charge. So in which direction positive charge flow? So positive charge of the objects always flow from point of higher electric level to the point of lower electric level. So this flow of this electric level means where is the electric level is high or where is the electric level low. So depending upon that level, this level decide the direction of flow of electric charges. So this level is called electrostatic potential, that is electric level. Either it contains high electricity or either it contains lower electricity. So depending upon that two level, the flow direction of flow of electric charge is dependent. So this level is nothing but we call electrostatic potential. Here we see the new concept. What is the electrostatic potential? I again repeat, the electrostatic level deciding the direction of flow of electric charges is called electrostatic potential. Okay. So here which is responsible for the flow of electricity? It is the electric level. So depending upon electric level, direction of that flow of electricity is dependent. So this electric level is called electrostatic potential. Okay. So here I again explain, that is given in your textbook. This is what is the electrostatic potential. See here tendency of the positive charge to flow from a point of higher electric level to a point of lower electric level. This electric level deciding the direction of flow of electric charge is called electrostatic potential. Okay. So here we see how the what is the electrostatic potential.